Hello. This video I decided to make because a lot of hammers use different kind of transmitter with power supply. So I recently bought this my transmitter, Yaesu Ftm-6000. So this is a two bands transmitter that works very well on the frequency 2 meters and 70 centimeters, and has power 50 watt. So you can adjust the power from low to middle and to high. So my antenna COMET GP1, I installed it on the attic of my house, and the power supply I has it just under my office table. So the cable antenna goes through attic, through my room to this my office table. So before I just supposed to be goes to under my table and turn on the power supply. It was of course not convenient. I decided to use just my outlet remote control. Okay, it's very convenient. So I just put button turn on, and this switch is ready turn on the transmitter. And you see, when I push this button, it starts to be turn on the power supply and of course the transmitter. So this is so convenient. I believe this everybody can use it, and I guess every hammers use this kind of remote control, outlet remote control. So this is very convenient to use it. That's it. So thank you for watching, and please provide comments if you want it. Thank you. Bye-bye. I just tell